Good, Hemaji.
Thank you, Guruji. The last line of the previous sloka, you said, no? Kshina lokaha chavante. I'm reading Sundarakandam. In the 17th Sarga, Hanuman sees Sita in the Ashokanam. I mean, how she is lackluster, how she is, in a very, very sad state. There, he says, Kshina punyam chutam bhumau taram nipatitam iva. Kshina punyam chutam bhumau taram nipatitam iva. So it's like the star or meteor which has fallen on the ground because of it's lost all its merits. Actually, when we are young, sometimes when we don't know what death is, normally elders say, Nakshatrama poita, and the Nakshatram bara, some old people die. I mean, that is one way of people telling him. They have not gone anywhere. So look at that star, that is that. I mean, I've heard like my elders say. So here, there is Kshina Punyam Chutam Bhumau Taram Nipatitam Iva. In Sundarakandam 17th Sarga, he says, I read that. I mean, I was quite fascinated. That Chutam word is there. Chutam, Tapratyam, Kshina Punyam Chutam Bhumau Nipatitam Iva. Both are there. Chutam Nipatitam. Okay.
Both words
Both words are there, and I felt very fascinated by that. I've read it some few days back. I wanted to share it here. And one more shloka you are going to share, Guruji, that is about the Purtam. You said two shloka. Yeah. Second shloka will be on. Okay.
Yeah, Purtam.
Thank you, Guruji.
Yeah. We'll pause with this.
Sorry. Yeah, a quick question, generally, because no other with respect to this class. So in all this Upanishads, for example, we have seen Kata and then Mundaka, now we are looking at. So when you say Kaschinno Bhagavo Vijñāti, Sarvamidam Vijñātam Bhavati iti, and the other question asked by in Kata, Anyatra dharmat, anyatra dharmat, anyatra asmat kuta krutatu, anyatra bhuta cha bhavyacha, yat pakshasri tadvad. Similarly, in Kena Upanishad, Keneshitam patadi preshitam manaha, Kena pranaha pradama praitiptaha, Keneshitam vachamimam vadanti, Chakshushrotram kaudeva yunakti. So, I mean, these three at least I can say, maybe in other Chandogya and other things. So in all these things, one thing is observed when teacher starts saying, it's initially it's sort of a reaction, it cannot be spoken about. And then the teacher talks about. So this is, so can I think that this is because, this knowledge is not something which your mind can grasp like an object, the way you think other objects are. I was thinking, so I just want to, an observation which I want your comments on.
Yeah, it typically, see, in Kena Upanishad, there is, it is two things daily. To confirm that the student is really interested in this, or casually asking. Adhikaritvam hai ki nahi. That is the first, typically the first step the teacher will take. Because what should I say now? Is the person ready to hear what I'm going to say? The first I have to check. Means the teacher has to check. So that is the first step. So sometimes, so you can interpret it that way. Shrotrasya Shrotram could be like that. In Kathoparishad, there is a big lengthy description of Adhikaritvam. This is not for you, etc. So, so both Adhikaritvam check is also there. And then there is also, there of course, the Tattvam cannot be Maharaja. Tattvam cannot be explained. Yeah, it is not going to be straightforward. And you be careful. It is you really speaking. But even though it is just you, still it is the most difficult topic like that. It'll become easy if you are ready like that. Yeah, it's very beautiful. It's fascinating.
Even in Mundaka, I think, yeah, even though it's not straight away negative, but they started talking about lower knowledge and higher knowledge. So that's how it starts. So, right, instead of saying what is it, you are talking about something else, lower knowledge, higher knowledge.
Because students' question is pointed, straight away pointed. You just have to tell me what that is. Why are you giving me all this introduction? Huh?
Correct. Yeah.
Good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prasad. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrita Kalasahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trailokyanataya Shri Mahavishnave Namaha.